Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, maybe this is one of the reasons why law enforcement have been unable to find Donna Lee Donaldson. Now, it has been exposed that not only are funeral homes illegally doing cremations, but for criminals, they are disposing of bodies by putting multiple people in the same graves. May I make on wagwan and then we'll continue the reason. There must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and you comment in the comment section. Look and listen.
Some of the people them who deal with what them call them, the funeral parlor people them, I get paid for put man who get killed by criminal or police, cause it never exempt the police. Man who get killed by police or criminal, them take the body them and carry go to a place where make coffin and put that body in a coffin we get paid for the next person, and then put the person who get paid for going in that coffin there, then put them in that coffin there too. So you find two people in the coffin. But because it a go a funeral now, nobody now open the coffin again. Them seal the coffin now and carry it go a funeral, go bury it. So it's two people in a one coffin. One who's supposed to be there and one who get somebody pay. Whether police or criminal pay the funeral parlor to put the next man in there. And then you hear say somebody missing and you can't find them, and you wonder, oh, you can't find that person there. Oh, that I go resolve. It's a terrible thing that, you know, oh, you go resolve something like that. Eh? Oh, you go what? You go back and dig out the grave, which grave? Oh, you go know which grave to dig. You can't do it. So there goes an unsolved murder. Unsolved murder. Police involved. Them shot certain man. Because you know the police now drive by and all them. Police get involved in everything now. Every criminal activity. You have police involved in that some way or another. Gun running, scamming, just pay for kill man. Anything. Police involved in it. And this is something now where it's being done. It is being done in Jamaica, where two people end up in a one coffin and get buried. So the one who not supposed to in there, for them family, will never find them, never find them body. Because there's no way you're going to figure out how that go. Unless somebody boss pan the funeral parlor, which is unlikely, because if you get money for do this thing, thousands of dollars, maybe you get more money than where the family for the person who dead who give money to build the coffin and set up the body. The funeral parlor get double the amount, put an next person in that coffin there. Hey, I tell you, sir, Jamaica no easy, no Rasta. I don't know if nobody would have figured that out. I figure say that I go on. Yeah? Our man come up with them something there. How somebody come up with that? Can I ask that question? Because that is like some serious thinking and calculation to do them something there, you know. Yeah, man, a very serious thinking and calculation come in a somebody levels for really think say, you know, say we could have just take all the body there and just go down and mag, like go pay a man to put him in the same coffin. And that's the end of that. The murderer, they know get where. Whether I'm his police or whether I'm his thief, criminal, them get where.
People are really going up on the island. Is this what greed is leading to? It is written that for the love of money. Because based And the statements being made, this is being done simply for monetary gain. The only reason why these funeral homes, the one that are the ones that are practicing these type of methods. And it also definitely sad to see that with the high level of crime and violence where take place on the island, this industry has fastly become a multi-million-dollar industry. I don't see no reason why them would need the money, but as stated, greed will always push people to the extremes. Talk to me. There must be justice for Donna Dance and her family. If you agree, drop a like on the video and of course a comment in the comment section. Tell me how you feel about the statements being made. Now onto the reason again. Now also making headlines. The Hanover police are stating that they are investigating the death of a man who was killed following his mother's grave digging on Wednesday. Now dead is Delroy Everton James. James had just returned to the island as recent as August to make arrangements for his mother's burial. Now according to police, he attended the grave digging on Wednesday, and by Wednesday night, police reports state that James was on the Salt Spring Main Road in Green Island in the parish when he was approached by two men, one of whom was wearing a mask. The men reportedly opened fire on James and he was later pronounced. It is stated that the incident happened at about 9 p.m. on a main road. Now, the sad part of the situation too is the fact that this individual returned to the island to make preparations for his mother's burial. At the grave digging him go. At the grave digging him go. The funeral not happening yet. But the people must have them tired of the senseless crime and violence that take place on the island. And basically it seems as if because the people have little to no confidence in the judicial system, people on a day-to-day basis seem to want to solve them issues with violence. Even simple argument. And it's a trend we see take place across the world. It's like people in this day and age are increasingly becoming more and more violent. Situations we could have talked through, or talk over rather, sorted out with different means, always seem to end in violence. So if you read a headline of a see an individual flying from England to make arrangements for lay mother to rest, and then within a month and a few weeks, even before the funeral itself, his life was taken, it make you feel say, yo, what really are going on up on the island? What the mindset of the people really there? And nowadays when you hear the police report on some place where these situations that take place, you feel wonder, main road. Them say upon the Salt Spring Main Road. After 9, you'd expect a main road to be busy at that hour. People not care. Individuals who are willing to carry out rather their criminal activity, they don't care what time it is. They don't care where the place is. And law enforcement is now stating that they are under-equipped, underpaid, and understaffed in certain situations. Talk to me. The comment section open. Do you think that in this day and age, rural Jamaica is becoming more violent than inner city communities in Kingston and St. Andrew, certain parts of St. Catherine, and certain parts of Mobile St. James? Because in this day and age, while crime and violence is still taking place in those areas, what is surprising is that in rural communities, places where the residents themselves are stating that these types of situations, these types of crime and violence never used to happen. Want me know that shows that something changed with the mindset of the people. And it's almost as if violence is in fashion. Talk to me. Comment section open. click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all if you're new to the channel. If you're just a pass through, click the subscribe icon, of course. And I say you'll get notified by all or when all fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. The comment section 24/7, never lack it. Drop your thoughts in your comments in the comment section. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Like and share the video. You know what I mean? Tell a friend, tell them sister, them brother, them for check out the reasoning and join the discussion. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.